Okay, we are back to the Whipple Supercharger install. In today's video, as you can see, we started installing the intercooler and we're planning on getting the whole Whipple Supercharger installed. So what is your goal for today, Igor?
To assemble everything under the hood, at least. And that's about it. Just make it look like it's done.
At least you're honest. So is there anything we're missing at this point of time or waiting on?
We still don't have the tune.
Okay.
Could be here in a minute.
So we're waiting on that, but no other holdups.
No, as far as parts, we have everything.
Excellent. So spark plugs were installed yesterday from yesterday's video, and then today we're just trying to finalize the install. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, consider subscribing. Make sure to click on that thumbs up button. Enjoy the video. Guys, don't forget, if you have any questions regarding what we're doing and any detailed questions, please feel free to comment below. We'll be more than happy to answer any question. So we're about to go pick up the F-250 from the window tint in place. First mod's done. Windows are tinted. That's 35s in the front and 20s in the rear windows. Let's go get him. Are you excited? Oh, here's the beauty. Oh my gosh. Right away, a different look. I mean, look, this is from far away, dude. It already looks like a different truck. Man, I love it. Let's go check it out. Hey, I like your Ray-Bans, dude. I need to get some too. So check it out. Well, that's like one good looking truck. Wow. That looks good. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. I like it. 35s in the front, 20s in the back. Let's go pay them. Yeah, it is. Let's do one more look from here. Little glance from here.
It's not that big of a difference.
Yo, check that out.
Right?
Man, anywhere, anytime it catches your eye, yeah? Back to the window tent. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good. All right. Nice job on the tent.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it looks really good. Looks really good.
The back looks darker, so you should like that better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks much better. Good thing you brought that up.
Yeah. So 160. Don't use Blue Index. Use glass cleaner or water. Okay. Something
okay.
like that.
Okay.
And then.
There we go. Nice. That was so sweet of them.
I know. I never got one before.
Nice. That's what happens. That's what happens when you have a YouTube channel.
They throw this in my store. Well, I'll leave that one
Oh
then.
yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Okay, I'll try. Guess I just have to drive this. All right. Oh, this is nice. Let's go for a ride. It feels definitely like a track car, that's for sure. Oh, wow. Clutch feels a little different. Thank you.
Oh snap. The blower's on. Yeah.
Hey Igor, before I have to go today, before we all have to go, would you be kind and give us a little bit of a status update?
The blower's on there.
So it's already installed?
It's installed, but it's not torqued or
Nice.
anything. Just want to make sure that we got everything before I torque it down.
Beautiful. And how about your heat exchanger? You did that in yesterday's video, obviously. So that's fully installed,
Not completely installed.
but semi-installed.
Semi-installed.
I see.
But the injectors are in, fuel rails.
Mm-hmm.
Injectors are plugged in.
So it looks like we'll have one more day tomorrow on this project before it's finalized. That's what it looks like. Wow, that thing's looking too good. Nice. Alright guys, well this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe below. Igor looks like he's going to continue to do some more work. And I got to get home and do some editing. So thank you for watching once again. See you tomorrow. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.